Hello, hi everyone, welcome back in my another video. Pankaj here. So today I will explain how to create an automation announcement. Okay, so हम एक automatic announcement flow create कर रहे हैं जो भी हमारे जैसे ये employee list है. Okay, this is our employee list. Okay, so if any employee का किसी का भी birthday आता है या date of joining मीन work anniversary आती है. Okay, so ये you can check here the this is date of birth, ये this okay, और this is date of joining this okay. if इनका किसी का भी डेट ऑफ ज्वाइनिंग या डेट ऑफ बर्थ आता है तो ऑटोमेटिकली इनको एक बर्थडे विशेष फ्रॉम कंपनी साइड ऑटोमेटिकली चली जाए, बर्थडे विशेष या वर्क एनिवर्सरी या हॉलीडे अनाउंसमेंट. ऑल्सो बहुत बड़ी कंपनीज में ये होता है कि हाँ कि एचआर को हर कहीं पे मेल करने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती, वहाँ पे ऑटोमेटिक अनाउंसमेंट होते रहते हैं. ठीक है, सो ऑटोमेटिक मेल नोटिफिकेशन अनाउंसमेंट टाइप का होना चाहिए. सो हम क्रिएट करने वाले हैं और उसका एक सिंपल है जैसे लाइक दिस इज़ आवर एम्प्लॉय डेटा. ओके, सो आपका एम्प्लॉय डेटा आपका लिस्ट में भी हो सकता है, एक्सेल में भी हो सकता है, टेबल में भी हो सकता है, अदर प्लेस पे भी हो सकता है. ठीक है, सो यहाँ पे मैंने अपना लिस्ट पे क्रिएट कर रखा है. तो बेसिकली जब भी किसी भी एम्प्लॉय का बर्थडे या एनिवर्सरी आएगा तो इस टाइप के मेरे पास रिमाइंडर्स आ जाएंगे. वो रिमाइंडर्स नहीं, अनाउंसमेंट मीन एम्प्लॉय के पास ये वाला अनाउंसमेंट चला जाएगा, हाय है ना, दिस इज़ योर बर्थडे या एनिवर्सरी एंड दिस इज़ ये मतलब जो भी है उसको उसकी विशेष उसके पास चली जाएंगी. ठीक है, सेम फॉर बर्थडे एंड सेम फॉर हॉलीडे. ओके, हॉलीडे का अभी तक हमने क्रिएट नहीं किया बट दिस इज सिमिलर सेम लाइक है ना, सेम डेट फॉर्मूला यूज करके हम हॉलीडे का भी क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. सो फर्स्ट वी गो विद लेट मी check you. Okay, so I'm testing it. Okay, so this is our flow. Okay, now you can check your flow is running and mail हमें मिल भी गई है. so ये मेल आई अभी right now 346 पे and you can check इन एम्प्लॉइज का बर्थडे है और इन एम्प्लॉइज की वर्क एनिवर्सरी. now you can check here is showing the 327 the Munish Sharma birthday and Pirash Sharma birthday. Okay, and here is the date of joining for these both employees. Okay, so हमें automatically इन employees की reminders मिल गया. अब how to create this one? Okay, so basically ये हमें create करने के लिए हमें क्या करना होगा, हमें एक flow ready करना होगा एंड फ्लो के लिए रेडी करने के बाद हमें मेल टेम्पलेट चाहिए होगा इस टाइप का. तो मेल टेम्पलेट यू कैन डाउनलोड फ्रॉम माय साइट. ओके, जस्ट गो टू dialforit.com एंड यहाँ पे आपको ईमेल टेम्पलेट्स वगैरह आपको फ्री में ईमेल टेम्पलेट्स डले हुए हैं, कुछ पेड हैं, आपको डायरेक्टली यहाँ पे मिल जाएंगे. ओके, सो मैं आपको दिखा देता हूँ किस टाइप के टेम्पलेट्स. ये हमारी साइट ओपन हो गई. You need to go on product section. Okay, in product section में you can check the email templates. Okay, and here is email template HR announcement. Okay, so you can check the birthday and work anniversary and happy birthday and work anniversary, and also here is also for holiday announcement as well. Okay, so you can check. I think here is not visible, but you can download from here the old templates. Link is in this. Once you buy this, then you will able to download it. Okay, all three templates. So in this included the anniversary, birthday, and holiday all templates. Okay, so now let me create the flow. How we create the flow? Okay, for flow create, I need to go on my Power Automate. Just select here Power Automate. सो ईमेल टेम्पलेट्स आने के बाद यहाँ पे सॉरी पावर ऑटोमेट पे आने के बाद यू नीड टू गो ऑन माई फ्लो एंड आफ्टर दिस यू नीड टू गो ऑन न्यू फ्लो एंड हियर यू नीड टू सिलेक्ट दी शेड्यूल क्लाउड फ्लो. ओके, सो यू कैन सिलेक्ट द डे आई वांट टू रन इन अ डे वन टाइम. ओके, सो हियर you can select the time. Okay, I want to wish everyone 12 o'clock. If you want to wish as per your office time, so you can select the 9 a.m. Okay, and you can give your flow name. Okay, I'm giving my flow name announcement and create it. Okay, now it's the first step is created. Now I want my flow with I want to edit my flow with old designer, so let me switch it. Okay, once you switch it, then here is new step and just select. And here you need to type the get items. Just select this one, and here you need to select your list. So basically my list is in application site and list name is employee information. So let me select the application site and the list name is employee information. Okay, now in the new step you need to add the condition. So basically select this one, and here you need to select the date of joining. Okay, we are selecting the date of joining because I need to apply to each condition. Okay, so if you now you able to view apply to each, automatically apply here. Now I need to remove this one from the condition section. I need to add here the custom expression. Okay, so how I can just go to expression. Here I need to type the formula. Okay, so basically the formula is format date and time. Okay, so I need to type the full formula. So let me copy and paste the formula. So basically this is our formula, the format date, time and console and item, the our column name. Okay, date of joining. Okay, so and this is I want the date, month and date. Okay, in format. Okay, now I want to type here the compare date or formula, so I need to use here the format date and time. Okay, and it's with the UTC now. Okay, and I want my date with month and the date. Okay, so just month and date, and okay, click on the okay, showing the I added here the dot, so that's the reason it's invalid. I need to add here comma, and now click on the OK. Okay, so once you're done, then add a action, and here I need to search the send email v2. Okay, send an email v2. Now here you can mention the subject. Okay, so here you can mention the two sections, so add dynamic content, and here you can use the office mail ID. Okay, if you want to send to employee directly mail, but here I am testing and showing to you, so that's the reason I'm adding my mail ID only. So I'm added. Let me copy paste my mail ID from here and paste it here. Okay, now in the subject line you can mention happy work anniversary. Okay, and you can mention the employee name as well. If you want to add the date, just you need to copy this format from the dynamic from the expression and paste it here in the expression, and okay, now you are able to view happy work anniversary, employee name, then date. Okay, now for the template you need to download from my site. Okay, so once you download, then paste in this. Okay, so once you paste, let me paste it. Okay, let me paste it. I'm pasted. Now here you able to view first this thing. Okay, so here you need to add your employee name. Okay, so I'm added this one, employee name, and this is the formula. Okay, so this is formula count of the year. Okay, so basically how many years completed the employee in this company. Okay, from the date of joining to till date. Okay, it's showing this. So this is the formula, the sub int and format date and time and UTC now year. Okay, so same formula we are using again, and then apply to each, and then column name. Okay, then we are counting the years, and here is nothing to change. Okay, if you want to change your company name, so you can select this one, and you can add here your company site also, and announcement by dial for IT you can change it also. Okay, now let me save it. Let me test manual and text it. Okay, If I'm click on the test, then automatically receive the mail. The flow run successful. Okay, now I'm able to view. Here is a 2 work anniversary mail received. Okay, the first one the Pankaj, the second one is Priya. Okay, so for same type you can create for birthday also. Just you need to here and add a branch, and you need to copy this one, and let me add a branch here and let me paste it here. Now here you need to change your the condition column name only. So this is my formula. Here I need to change my column name. Okay, so you need to add your column name here, the date of birth. Okay, so I need to add here my column name, date of birth. So this is my column name, you can check here. Okay, and here you need to add, let me update it. Okay, here you need to add the few things like happy anniversary, you can mention happy birthday. Okay, and here you need to remove this template and copy from my site the different template. So I'm paste the code of the email template, and here I'm added only employee name. Okay, from the dynamic contents. Okay, and here you can check the all things same, the company site, the company website URL and other things. Okay, so let me test it again. If any employee birthday is today, then automatically run and get the notification. So it's run done, and it's still running. I think it's taking time. So we have received the mail, and now you can check the work anniversary mail. Okay, so if any employees so here is birthday mail, you can check. Okay, so this is birthday and work anniversary, all mails we have received. Now if you want to download this template and this Power Automate export, okay, copy, so you can download from my site. Okay, and this is free. Okay, so thank you so much. If you need any help, please let me know. If you download the template and within 24 hours, then the template will be free for you, all email templates. So thank you so much. If you need any help, please let me know.